If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in bright white. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7561.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.